Okay, so hopefully that went well. Your lab grade this week will be based on how you did on all of those quizzes. Next week, you're going to learn how to write up a lab report, and then you'll be doing an experiment and writing it up in your book. Now, I have one piece of homework that I want you to do, and that is I want you to click into the next section down on Moodle, so the one for the next lab, and I want you to look at the equipment list and get that all sorted out and ready for next week. So you're going to need a lab notebook and a pen and a scientific calculator in order to do your experiment, but you also need a way to photograph each page of your lab notebook, because that's how you're going to hand it in to me, is you'll photograph each page of the notebook, paste it all into one document, like a Word document, or PDF is also acceptable, and then you hand in that one document to me. And that's what I'll grade and hand back to you electronically. To do the experiment, you're also going to need a way to measure distances, so about 4 or 5 meters. So a tape measure is the best way to do this. Either a tape measure for construction or a tape measure for sewing will work pretty well. If you don't have either of those, you can also do it just by using a string that doesn't stretch very much, and then you would measure the length of the string later with a smaller ruler. So take a look at the equipment list for next week and get everything sorted out ahead of time. And that way, if you do happen to leave things to the last minute next week, you don't have to scramble to find all of the equipment that you're going to need.